just chilling here for a minute. If you remember right, we just developed a mystery noise as we were driving back from South Texas. Wasn't sure what it was, had nightmares about it being wheel bearings or a rear end or something like where money goes flying out the window. Do you know what I mean? But I put my thinking cap on and I tried to figure out what it was that could possibly be making that noise. You know, if you remember things from before, quite often the same thing has happened before. And so it happened that I remembered one time when I was having all of these problems with my tires with Discount Tire, that I had left one Discount Tire in Amarillo and I happened to be going to Oklahoma City. I went to Oklahoma City and by the time I got there I had developed this crazy whining noise, and it reminded me of the noise that I was having when I was driving back from South Texas. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna check that before I take it into some kind of a mechanic at $200 an hour or whatever to try to diagnose what the problem was. The hubcap was loose and there was a lug nut that was missing. I tightened up the lug nuts that were on it and took it for a little test drive, and the noise was still there. So I decided what I was going to do is take the lug nut off from my left tire or left hubcap and put it on the right one, not the correct one, but the one on the right, and see if that would do it. So that's what I did, and in fact it took care of the problem. So instead of throwing thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars out the window, what I ended up doing was having to buy a lug nut. Unfortunately, you can't just buy one. You have to buy the whole package, which amounted to 24 lug nuts for $37. So instead of spending who knows how much on diagnosing whether it was a rear end, a wheel bearing, or would they ever have thought of the hubcap? I don't know. But I did, because I had that same experience when I was in Oklahoma City. So it's all fixed. And now all I have to do is pay for the lug nuts. So that was our mystery noise from our drive from South Texas. And today we're out sitting in the sun because this is the first sunny day, warm enough to sit out forever. And we've been stranded and closed up in the van. And so we're out here where we can throw the ball for a while and just relax. I can relax a lot better now that I know that I didn't just spend thousands of dollars to tighten up my hubcap. Anyway, that's it for today. Peace. Best laid plans.